A lot of individuals carry lunch for their office and school in order to maintain a healthy diet. Homemade foods are always healthy, however, when it becomes cold, it loses its original taste. We will look at the top 5 best lunch boxes that are available on the market today.
I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5. ThinkFit Lunch Box. This product is a complete set. This means it comes with both the boxes as well as the bag to complete your lunch experience. A special pill organizer comes with the box, which does not let you forget your medicines, and keeps them safe and separate from the food. With the reusable ice packs, you can not only enjoy warm food but cold stuff as well. Having heavy-duty plastic can withstand both the freezer and the microwave. The sturdy bag has an adjustable shoulder strap to suit your convenience. Although, if you prefer using the handle instead, the shoulder strap is detached as well. At number 4. MAISON Kids Bento Lunch Box. Kids Bento Box with 2 food dividers, you will get 3 or 5 compartments, keep food separated and fresh. 1.6 liters capacity to meet kids' daily needs. Kids-friendly locking buckle makes the lunchbox easy to open and close. 8 ounces insulated stainless steel food jar maintains food at a high temperature of 6 hours and a low temperature of 12 hours through double-wall vacuum insulation, which can hold hot food or liquids well, and it can be put into the lunchbox, making it easy for kids to open and enjoy delicious food. The lunchbox is made of sturdy food-grade PP plastic, and the hot food jar is made of 18/8 stainless steel, which is sturdy and anti-drop. The silicone sealing ring and hinge cover of the lunchbox are tightly attached, forming an airtight and leak-proof seal, effectively preventing food from cross-seasoning. Our lunchboxes and food jars are made of food-grade materials, BPA-free, microwave and dishwasher safe, and easy to use. At number 3. Bentgo MicroSteel Leak-Proof Lunchbox. Perfect for both hot and cold foods, our patented lunchbox features innovative, MicroSteel technology, so you can heat up your meals in the microwave while the silicone seal keeps the lid airtight so salads, sandwiches, and more stay fresh on the go. To open your Bentgo MicroSteel lunchbox, lift the venting valve on the top of the lid. This releases internal pressure, making it easier to remove the lid without force. Once open, lift off the lid and enjoy your meal. An optional divider provides a second compartment, adding versatility to creating meals, making it the perfect container for packing healthy and balanced foods. Made from quality stainless steel and food-safe silicone that's both stain and odor resistant, it's BPA-free, safe, and a sustainable alternative to plastic. Note, the stainless steel is single-walled and won't keep food cold or hot for an extended period of time. Use in combination with our Bentgo ice packs and insulated Bentgo bags to keep your food fresh longer.
At number 2. Bentgo Fresh Lunchbox. With this compartmentalized bento lunchbox, you will be able to pack a variety of items while controlling the portion size. With the compartments, the items remain separate and maintain their individual flavors. Besides, with this lunchbox, you do not have to worry about any leaking as it is completely leak-proof. You can also take pride in fighting hunger while making your purchase, as Bentgo donates a portion of their profit to feed the children. Moreover, you do not have to worry about melting your containers anymore. This lunchbox is safe for reheating as well. Finally, at number 1, OmieBox Bento Box. This box has been designed specially to appeal to the eyes of and cater to the appetite of children. With this box, your child can escape the trouble of various containers, while they can enjoy different food items at the same time. The box is divided into 1 hot and 4 cold food compartments. A special long compartment can hold any drink inside the box itself. Various goodies like spoons and forks are added to the product to have a pretty color-coordinated lunch set for your child. Being free of BPA, it has got the trust and approval of the FDA and CPSIA. Finally, having a weight of 1.7 pounds, you can pack your bags for your lunch hours.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.